If you're looking to learn how to run payroll with Xero, you've come to the right place. This video will quickly guide you through the process so you can get up and running without wasting any time. Stick with me until the end for an exclusive offer that'll help you start using Xero for free. Now, let's dive right into how Xero makes payroll simple and efficient. To get started, log into your Xero account. Once you're in, go to the payroll section. If you haven't set up payroll yet, you'll need to enter your company details, including your legal business name, your business address, and your tax information. Don't worry, Xero's onboarding process is straightforward, guiding you through every necessary step. Once your company is set up, you can add your employees. This is an important step because Xero will need to know the key details for each employee, like their full name, email address, salary or hourly rate, and tax information. You'll also have the option to enter any pay items like commissions, bonuses, or deductions if applicable. When you're ready to run payroll, simply go to the Payroll tab and click Pay Runs. This is where the magic happens. Click Add Pay Run to start and select the period you're paying for. Xero allows you to run payroll weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, so it's highly flexible depending on your business needs. Next, you'll review the payroll for each employee. You can adjust individual pay details if needed, like hours worked, overtime, or sick days. Xero automatically calculates tax, superannuation, and other deductions, which helps prevent errors and ensures compliance with your local payroll laws. Once everything looks good, hit Post to finalize the payroll. Xero will generate the pay slips for each employee and give you a breakdown of your payroll costs. You'll also be able to export these details to other accounting systems if needed. If you want to keep everything in Xero, you can even pay your employees directly through the software. Xero partners with various payment providers, making the direct deposit process seamless. You can also set up bank feeds to ensure all payments and deductions are automatically recorded in your accounting system. The next important part is filing taxes and reporting. With Xero, payroll tax filings are simple. The software automatically calculates your payroll taxes based on local regulations, and you can file them directly from Xero. It also generates reports like POAG summaries, making tax season much easier to handle. If you're a business owner looking to save time on payroll, Xero truly simplifies the process. But what makes Xero even better is that you can try the software completely for free using the exclusive link in the description below. Yes, you heard that right. Get started with an extended free trial and see for yourself why Xero is trusted by businesses worldwide. So whether you're just starting out with Xero or looking to optimize your payroll process, this software can make your life so much easier. You've got access to all the tools you need to run payroll efficiently without the stress of manual calculations or errors. Remember, Xero isn't just about payroll. It's an all-in-one accounting solution that integrates seamlessly with other business operations. If you're ready to give it a try, be sure to use the link below to access your exclusive free trial and bonuses. In conclusion, running payroll with Xero is straightforward, flexible, and saves you time. Try it today for free and get your payroll running smoothly with full support every step of the way. Thanks for watching.